In 7 days, or 1 hour a day for 7 days, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this, and then you'll be able to do it on any bike, whether standing or seated. It's not that difficult, so let's get started. Why should I learn to track stand? Track standing isn't just a party trick, it's useful everywhere. On the road, it means you don't have to clip out at every light, saves you energy and keeps you rolling. On the track, it's about control, holding position and making the other rider move first. And on the mountain bike, it's huge. You'll use it on tight switchbacks while scouting a line before a drop, or balancing in a rock garden where you can't keep momentum. Basically, anytime forward progress stalls, a track stand buys you time to think and stay upright. It's one of those skills that looks flashy, but ends up being practical in more situations than you expect. I recommend starting with a geared bike and platform pedals. I'll use my MTB for this demonstration. Shift into the middle range of the sprockets. Later, this won't matter, but in the beginning it will make those finer balancing adjustments using the pedals easier. Okay, so get a gentle rolling start, and then just using the slope's resistance, find the balancing point on the bike. You don't need to use the brakes here, and just sit and practice balancing. This is possibly going to take you 2 to 4 hours, I would imagine, but hang in there, you'll get it. Okay, so this time, just as before, you want to find the balance point, but this time you want to use the brakes. And you can use the front, the rear, or both, or whichever you like. I like to feather, just to find my balance, or make any small adjustments I need for my balance. And that's that. And lastly, now on the decline. So it goes without saying that being on a decline, you're going to have to throw your weight a little more back, use the brake a lot more, and you're going to probably need to rock backwards and forwards as I'm doing now, as it's a lot harder to find the balance point. But again, practice makes perfect, and you're going to get it eventually. Once you're confident, get into your clipless and confirm you can still hold it. By this stage, it shouldn't matter what bike or gear you're in, you've got the skill. That's the track stand. Not magic, just practice. Finally got the